Now let us see this numerical. It's a pretty simple numerical. A body covers one third distance. Okay, one third of the total distance with velocity v. Okay. Now next one third with velocity. Now okay, let us call this u, and next one third with velocity v, and remaining one third with velocity w. We have to calculate the average speed. Okay, how do we do that? Now, I would suggest you make a simple sketch. Okay, so this is my starting point and this is my end point. Okay, and they say one third of the total distance with speed v1, with speed u, and then v, and then w. Okay, so I'll just divide these three distances into this distance into three equal parts here. So this is one third. So if my total distance is from A to B, if it is S, then this is S by 3, S by 3, and S by 3. Okay. Now, alright, so now covers one third distance with velocity u. Correct. So I am reaching this point, let us call this point C. Correct. So A to C, what is the distance traveled? Distance is equal to S by 3. And time is t1. Okay. They have said it is with velocity u. Now how do you get time from velocity? My time t1, time is equal to distance upon velocity. So it is s by 3 upon u. So that would be equal to s upon 3u. Correct? Alright, now what about next one third with velocity v? So t2 is going to be equal to, again same, s upon 3v, and t3 is equal to s upon 3w. Correct? Now what is the total distance traveled? Total distance traveled is s. Correct? Total distance is equal to s, and total time is equal to t1 plus t2 plus t3. Correct? Now what I'll do here, t1 and t2 and t3 I have, so s upon 3u plus s upon 3v and s upon 3w. So it would be s upon 3 into, I would say, 1 upon v, 1 upon u plus 1 upon v plus 1 upon w. So that is going to be equal to s upon 3 into vw plus uv plus uw upon uvw. Right? So now what is my average velocity or average speed? My average speed, let us call that average speed v average is equal to total distance, that is s, upon this quantity. So it would be s upon s by 3 into uv plus vw plus uw upon uvw. So obviously my s is going to get cancelled, and my answer is going to be equal to, now this 3 is in the denominator of denominator, so it is going to be equal to 3 uvw divided by uv plus vw plus wu or uw, and that is your answer. That is your average velocity. Now you may note here that this distance was not given. Okay, distance from A to B was not given. Okay, what was given? Only U, V and W. And your final answer, okay, was T1, T2, T3 was given? No, it was not given. But then that we calculated in terms of the velocity and distance, and then anyway that distance got cancelled, total distance S got cancelled, and your answer is in terms of only velocities. In the next video we are going to do one more very interesting numerical, and I'm also going to be giving you some more for practice at home. Thanks so much.